Started new job today. We're painting this fence all the way through up there. So we start masking. So we're gonna stick with that for now, and then we're gonna start spray painting with the undercoat and 2 top coats of roof membrane. We are spraying undercoat at the moment using metal primer as the finish, the way it comes off. It's a very nice finish. Tip size on the gun is 310. Low pressure tip, Graco. Undercoat is done. Started doing top coat. This is the top coat. This is my trusty spray gun that I'm using roof membrane. This is the roof membrane that I'm using for spraying the fence. Reason why I'm using roof membrane, because it's highly resistant to finger touches and finger marks. When you touch the fence, you can't see any marks. Starting second coat on this Colorbond fence. This is it for this time. I'm gonna do the close-up. That's the close-up, how it looks like. It's nice and shiny. If you didn't subscribe and share and like the video by now, please do so. It will help my channel a lot. Till next time, cheers.